Hi everyone and welcome to Fun with Code. In this video, we are going to have fun with HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This is the first ever website made using HTML. So HTML is mainly used to make websites. So this is my first tutorial on HTML. So we are not going to do anything deep. We are not going to do anything in advance. So this is just an introduction to HTML. So if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. So, as this is the first HTML tutorial on this channel, we are not going to code directly. So, if you open this website, this is the first ever website made. So, if you right click and click on inspect, you can see the HTML of this website. So, let's go through this HTML code and let's understand what and how does HTML works. So basically, we start HTML by just opening like HTML. So inside this open and close HTML, we'll write everything we need. So after we say HTML, we will we need to pass head, open and close head. So that's the head, and the title of this web page goes inside the head, and after head we'll have body, and here is where everything will be programmed, or it's not like programming. HTML does only what you see. Backend work is done by other programming languages. So let's say we have this World Wide Web. This is called H1, heading 1, and this is in just plain, this is bold and black because this is heading 1, and if you change this to heads 2, the size of this text will be decreased. And to if you want to change the color of this text, you can do that. Just click where you want to add the color and right click there, edit as HTML. We are editing h1, so let's just pass style equal to color, let's say green, and the text color is changed to green. So the same way you can change the color of all the of every single word you see in this web page. So you can see these hyperlinks. These are, you can create them using anchor tag. You can see here anchor tag, and I'm just showing you, this is just a brief introduction to HTML. In the next video we'll explore more about HTML, and you can have fun by inspecting elements in other websites too. For example, let's say if you have a YouTube channel, you can have fun. Let's If you want to go to asset, if you want to edit this text, you can just select that and right click, and you have 92 here. Instead of 92 we can make it 1000. You see, now instead of 92 I have 1000 subscribers, but actually it's not like that. That's just what you see now. That's not what others see. If you refresh the page, it will change back. The same way, if you refresh this page, that color of the text changes to black again. And you see this text where it is not as big as heading, but it's like a paragraph. So this is called paragraph, and it is done using paragraph tag. like open P and then close P, and whatever you type inside this is considered as paragraph. And you can change the color of this too by the same method. If you are more interested in HTML, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and in the next video we'll go more deeper into this topic.